Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. You guys, for today's video, I will be unboxing a January LASHYBOX. I've been enjoying all my boxes. If you guys seen my previous one, you know that I love all of my boxes. Everything that I have in my boxes I do adore, so I hope you guys have been watching my unboxing. If you haven't, I will link it on the card and also in the description below. Check it out if you want to know more about this subscription box, and if you are not familiar and you just want to know a little bit about it, it is a Faux Lash subscription. They offer a variety of boxes from beginner to a pro. Just check them out, you guys. They cater to every single one of us, so definitely check them out. All of their information is going to be in the description below. There's a link that you can click and it will take you directly to the site, and everything that I have on my face that I don't mention, it's going to be in the description below. So we have some makeup products, we have some makeup tools in here, of course lashes. So I'm really excited to show you this box. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would really appreciate it, and please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my unboxing, and please do turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my unboxing. So if you guys want to see my LASHYBOX this month, then just keep on watching. If this is the first time you are seeing this unboxing, then I just want to mention really quick that the products, the makeup products that I'm getting in these boxes is going to be in the future giveaways. Unless it's something that I really want to try, then I will do just that. But most of the products that I will be getting, the makeup products, I will definitely set it aside and put it in a giveaway, like the makeup palette that's in our box this month. I know you're probably thinking you should try it on, but you guys, I feel like when I am trying on lashes and I have something very dramatic on the eyes, like my first unboxing, it kind of takes away from the lashes. I feel like I would be just focusing on like the eyeshadow look rather than the lashes because it's pretty dark. So I just want to, you know, keep the eye very simple so you guys can really get a good look of the lashes that I am trying to showcase for you guys. So with that being said, you guys, the palette that's in this box is gonna be in the future giveaway. I think I have enough stuff to give away for my next box, so just keep on coming back, and yeah, just keep on coming back, you guys. So this is the palette that's in this month's box. Let's take it out and keep this aside. So it's really pretty, you guys. This says it's a Crescent Moon palette. So this is from Cas Cosmetics. So we have received lashes from this company, so I really love that lashes. This is a 4-color eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. It is cruelty free. So this is the outside packaging. I'm not gonna swatch this because that's just not sanitary, especially if I'm giving it away. So this is what it looks like inside. I just want to show you guys the colors so you can see what you are getting. The packaging is really cute. So the packaging is, you know, is cardboard, and you do get a cute little mirror that you can use when you're applying the product, you guys. So these are the shades that you're gonna be getting in this palette. Let me just take this out. I promise I won't touch the shadows, but the glare, I don't want you guys getting the glare. But these are the shades that you are getting in this palette. It is really pretty. So you have all shimmers in here. So you know, we all have our matte shadows, and when you need that pop of color, this is the palette that you go to for that. So that is really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this palette. When you get this, whoever gets this, please create something and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Before we get to the next product, you guys, they did put another eyelash glue in here. I'm gonna put this on the future giveaway as well, because I didn't really care for it when I try it. So maybe, you know, it will work for you, maybe you will love it. The makeup tool that they put in this box, I'll have to keep for myself. So my go-to lash applicator is this one right here, and it is very similar to the one that they put in this box. This one is an Amazon find, you guys. I have a video about Amazon finds coming. Wait for that one because I have good finds. This is from LASHYBOX and Jacky Luvv. So I'm seeing a lot of products from Jacky Luvv with LASHYBOX. So this is one of them. This is what you use to hold your lashes. It is just amazing, you guys, because it will help you like push your lashes together, clamp your lashes together. It's just so easy to maneuver for me, so I'm really happy that they put this in the box. It's something that you need to have if you are false lash lover like me. This is something that you need to try, you guys. Just saying. So let's put this aside because we're definitely going to use this one. Let's get to the lashes. Like always, I am going to show you the lashes, talk about the band, talk about the softness of the lashes, the length, the style, and then I will just show you what it looks like on me. So let's get to that, you guys. First lashes that we have is from Jacky Luvv. So this is the same brand as the lash applicator, you guys. So this is the lashes. This is vegan and cruelty friendly. So this is in the style Capricorn. As we can see that all the lashes have about the same length all the way around. It's a bit longer in the middle, but you guys, it's mostly the same size all the way around. So these lashes will definitely give you a lot of drama to your eye look. The band on this is pretty thin. So the style of the lashes, you have a thick layer and then you have one layer, thick layer and then one layer. So this is a faux mink lashes. And also you can tell that this is way too long for my eyes, so we would definitely have to cut it. And this is type of lashes that there's no right or left lashes, so you can definitely just, you know, pick whichever one. I mean, or you can just go by this one goes to the right and this one goes to the left. I'm gonna use my duo glue, you guys. This is my go-to. So I went ahead and cut a little bit on the end so fit my eyes really nice, so my lashes are not drooping and down. I know the past unboxing that I did, I didn't really do that, but I really need to do it because I need to show you guys what it looks like when you do cut your lashes properly and what it looks like, you know, on the eyes when you cut it properly. So I have to use a handheld mirror. Sorry if it gets a little blurry because my camera doesn't have like an autofocus, so I'm just gonna place this down. I already have mascara on, so place this down. And then I twist this way. I hold the lash applicator this way, and then I marry the two lashes, my real lashes and the false lashes. I also applied my eyelid tape, so my folded lids are even because it just looks better. I know it does. So that's what that one looks like. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It looks so, like, not simple when you're showing it, but it doesn't look this grand. But look at it, you guys. For you all Capricorns out there, this is your lashes. So what do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. Moving on to our second lashes, this is another pair from Jacky Luvv, and this is in the style Maddie 2.0. It looks like the length of the lashes are long all the way around. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. There it is, you guys. Look at that. I think it's definitely gonna take over my eyes, so we definitely need to cut this and definitely size this to our eyes. So I'm gonna do that. The band on this one is the same size as the first one. They are pretty thin, so as you guys can see, this one is definitely gonna just take over and be the boss of our eyes. So if I just put this on without cutting them, it will definitely just definitely, there you go. That's it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just measure this and cut the edges, and I'll be back. Make sure you guys bend bend the band, bend the band. Kind of twist the band a little bit so it will form to your eye shape. Just hold it with your lash applicator. Look down in your mirror. I love the fullness of it. I love the drama that it brings to the eyes, but I think that it is not the best style for me, but I'll definitely use it though. I'm sure I'll find a look that will be appropriate for these lashes because wow. You guys, I feel like these lashes can just take me away, you guys. Take me away to a special place. So what do you think about this style? Some of you out there love this type of lashes. So Maddie 2.0, this is Jacky Love. The next two pair that I'm going to be showing you is from LASHYBOX. They have their own lash line. So this is in the style Sprinkles. I don't really have to take it out of the little thing because you guys can see it already. I don't think I mentioned that the Maddie 2.0 is Faux Mink lashes as well, and this one is 3D silk lashes. So the Jacky Loves are mink lashes, right? Yes, they are mink lashes and these are silk lashes. And this one, you guys, has a bit of spaces in between the lashes. This one has the same length on each end and a bit longer in the front. We don't need to worry about which is which end, I don't think. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on and size it to my eyes. I feel like this one has a thicker band than the Jacky Love lashes. I like to take out the glue that's in it. My two unboxing, I just used the glue that's in the lashes already, and it kind of shows on the video. The glue itself, it's very reflective. So let me go ahead and size it to my eyes really quick. So this one looked like I have to maybe cut just a tiny bit at the end. So you guys, this is in the style Sprinkle. This is from a LASHYBOX. What do we think about this one? Really liking this style. This is the type of style that I like a lot. I think it complements my my eye type, but you guys let me know. This is what it looks like with both lashes on. I really like this style, you guys, but let me know what you think. Sadly, this is the lash one. Yep, got it. Did you get that? Lash one. This is the lash one. But I'm really excited for this one because of the style. Love the bushiness of it. Guys, I wish you guys can see the pattern on the band. I think you can see it a little bit right there. It has a little bit of crisscross on the band. It's really pretty, you guys. I love the bushiness of the design of it, so really pretty. The band on this is pretty thick as well. Their lash bands are about the same thickness of all their lashes. I think this is the length of this is pretty good for my eyes, so yeah. So you guys, I'm really excited for this style right here. I think both LASHYBOX, you guys, are my favorite style because I think it complemented my eye shape really good. It's perfect fit for me, so really loving this style as well. But like I said, you let me know, you guys, which one is your favorite style. So this is the style Cake from LASHYBOX. So what do you think about this style, you guys? Like I said, this style I think is the one that complements my eyes and the second one. So what do we think, you guys? So you guys, that is everything in our LASHYBOX for this month. I really did enjoy all the lashes. Like I said, you guys, I will love every single one of them. They probably don't all look good on my my eye shape, but I will love them the same, you guys. Like always, on the card I will list all the lashes. Let me know which lashes you want to try, and in the comment section let me know which lashes looks really good on me. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you guys leave, so everything that you need to know about this subscription is going to be in the description below. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.